this one.
Okay,
It's, what day is it? Tuesday, January 10th. We're gonna have Christmas again. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. There's a note. And some dollars.
These are my dollars.
It says, Jack, how good did I do? From Pop Pop. This is from Pop Pop.
Whoa.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. You already know what that is, huh? You're hardly looking at it. My gosh, did he give you stuff?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
You knew there was some kind of card.
Do you remember this?
in there, huh?
Where did this come from, Jack? Pop Pop and Nana, huh? When did you open all of this up?
Look at this great shirt, sweatshirt.
Do you remember? What was that?
Yeah.
When?
Tired.
Did a wheel come off or something? Yeah, it came off the tractor.
Whoa.
So what do you say to Nana and Pop Pop?
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's got tug on jam, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Ow.